Hi, Marianne Markowitz. Today's short on what you can give up in order to spring forward in your feng shui cleaning of life. Think about this. June 2023, the average person spends 4 hours on social media. As counterintuitive as this sounds, let me be the one to invite you to turn off your notifications, uninstall your Instagram, your TikTok, your whatever for the month of July, and have an old fashioned summer. Remember when we were kids and we didn't have cell phones and time drug by? See what happens and think about what you can do with 4 hours a day. Personally, I could read half a book. Oh my God, that sounds so luxurious. There's endless things we can do with that 4 hours a day. Oh, and the other thing about this is that the people who are also staying on Instagram and TikTok are suffering from fear of missing out on food trends. Let the food trend be what's in the house. What do I need to cook today that's still fresh? And see what happens to your diet and your life and report back.